Hello, my name is Dennis Leest, Senior Systems Engineer at Juniper Networks, and today I'd like to tell you a bit more about our wireless LAN portfolio and its redundancy strengths. A key trend in the market at this moment is the move from wired to wireless networking. With the increase of real-time applications over wireless, such as video and voice, also driven by bring your own device and choose your own device, redundancy in your network should be the #1 priority when selecting a wireless LAN solution. Juniper Networks offers you a unique redundancy mechanism, virtual controller clustering. Since all access points have active connection to 2 controllers, this mechanism provides wireless LAN control over failover time within 150 milliseconds, which results in real-time applications like voice and video to remain fully operational. This in contrast to other wireless LAN solutions in the market, which will take seconds to tens of seconds in case of a controller failover, resulting in downtime. Juniper Networks offers this unique functionality for all types of deployments, ranging from small with a few access points to larger deployments with thousands of access points. Welcome to the demonstration part of the video, and for this demonstration we're using the demonstration suitcase, including a wireless LAN 532 wireless LAN access point, our primary controller, our secondary controller, a next generation SRX firewall, an identity appliance, and a small switch provided by Juniper, which provides us with power over Ethernet. Also to this setup, 2 iPads are connected, one residing here, the other one with my colleague Steven Blaise in the customer briefing center in Amsterdam. Using FaceTime, which is a real-time application, most like a telephone conversation, we'll show you what the impact is by disconnecting one of the primary controllers. Steven, can you hear us loud and clear?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Perfect. The idea would be that we'll have a small conversation, and whilst you are talking, I disconnect our primary controller, and we'll see what the impact is on our FaceTime application. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Super. So Steven, please tell us who you are and what you're doing there in Amsterdam.
Yeah, so hello everybody, I'm Steven Blaise, I'm quality manager for Juniper Networks in the Netherlands. Currently sitting in the executive briefing center. Behind me is our approved console labs that customers can use to validate and test solutions, migrations, etc. To basically offer as a service to customers so they can actually see it's real in a real life environment.
Well, perfectly. During your talk, I disconnected our primary WLAN controller, and actually we could see that our FaceTime application, which is real time, did not really suffer from this, and our connection was still okay and intact. Thank you, Steven, and thanks for your time. Network availability and redundancy is the key foundation of every Juniper solution, whether that's a wired solution, wireless solution, routing, or security environment. For more information, please contact us or our partners, or visit us at www.juniper.net. Thank you for watching.
Welcome to the demonstration part of the video. In this short technical explanation, we'd like to show you what actually happens if we pull the link from the primary controller. So on the left pane here we got a session to the primary controller, which is 10.0.1.2. On the right pane we've got a session to the secondary controller, which is 10.0.1.3. On the pane here below we've got a session towards our laptop, and we'll be able to do a quick ping from there, which is a ping with a quick interval, so we'll actually be able to show you what happens in case of a failover. So we'd first like to see which access points are registered to the controllers, and we do that via command which is show cluster AP1. We do it on both the primary and the secondary controller, so we will actually be able to show you that our access point is registered to both controllers, and we'll showing you this, that it's connected to the primary controller and to the secondary controller. So in this case the access point has 2 connections to both controllers open. So now we'll actually be able to show you which sessions are located on the access point, and we'll be doing that with a command which is show sessions network AP1. With this command, we'll be able to tell you which sessions are located on the access point. And in this case, we've got our laptop on the wireless network. We've got both our iPads on the wireless network, and they're all connected to the same controller. And our iPads are running the FaceTime session now. If we do the same command on the secondary controller, we'll actually be able to show you that there are no live sessions on the secondary controller. So in case of a failover, the secondary controller must be able to pick up really quick. Now we'll now start a ping with a quick interval, an interval of 300 milliseconds, and whilst we've got this ping running, we'll pull the connection from the primary controller, so we'll simulate a controller failover, which will actually result in one ping missing. That's the ping we're showing right here. And now that we missed the ping, we'll go back to the secondary controller, repeat the command to show which sessions are live on the controller. A moment ago there were no sessions live on the controller. If we repeat the command, we'll show you that we currently have all the sessions running on the secondary controller. We'll not be able to go back to the first controller because since we disconnected it, our SSH session also stopped. Thank you for listening in, and this concludes our technical demonstration part.